We are meeting here in furtherance of the meeting we had with the stakeholders in Nyeri a week ago to bring our 5 county assemblies within the region to ask for their support, because the concern that the president and all of us have is the same concern these leaders have. And we are really discussing with them on how we can make uniform laws across the 5 counties to come up with very stringent rules and regulations to regulate the sale of alcohol, the issues of drugs, and indeed to come up with very stringent penalties to act as a deterrent to this sector. We are concerned as the leaders from this region and for the whole country, really, that if we don't intervene, we can lose an entire generation. The situation in central Kenya and the rest of the country is worrisome. And we want to explain that why we have started here is because from the statistics from NACADA, this area is worse hit at 14%. Once we succeed here, and we must succeed, we'll use the interventions here as a model for the rest of the country.
Nĩ njũĩ gwĩ temptation, andũ a njohi no megũka mwathiĩ gũthondeka mawatho. Na moka kũmuona mwĩtĩkĩre mamuone. No mũthondeke watho ũrĩa ũgũteithia bũrũri kana tiguo. Na tũtirĩ na mbara na hũri ya biacara. In fact, mawatho kwagĩa mawatho mega nĩguo biacara igũtherema makĩria. Nginya ũrĩa wendagia njohi nĩguo kuona baita makĩria. Endia njohi ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire.